Welcome to Vinad Pathshala. Today we'll be discussing the poem Kannadamma. Kannadamma is the mother of Karnataka, like how we say Mother India. Like that we have Kannadamma, mother for Kannada. It is written by Bhagirathi Hegde. She is Bhagirathi Hegde who wrote this poem. Kavi Parichaya. That is introduction to the poetess. ಭಾಗೀರಥಿ ಹೆಗಡೆಯವರು ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಸಿದ್ದಾಪುರ ತಾಲೂಕಿನ ತಾಟಿಕಾಯ ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದವರು. ಸೊ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಸಿದ್ದಾಪುರ ತಾಲೂಕು. ಸೊ ತಾಲೂಕ್ ನೇಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸಿದ್ದಾಪುರ and she belonged to the village called ತಾಟಿಕಾಯ. She was born over there. ಇವರು 12, this is 1 and 2, 12ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕೃತಿಗಳನ್ನು ರಚಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 12 ಕೃತಿಗಳು. ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಗುಬ್ಬಿಯ ಸ್ವರ್ಗ, ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮ ಇವು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿಯೇ ರಚಿಸಿದ ಕೃತಿಗಳು. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಗುಬ್ಬಿ ಸ್ವರ್ಗ ಅಂಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹಾಡಿ ನಲಿದು ಕುಣಿಯುವ ಪದ್ಯವಿದು. So this is a poem where children should be singing and dancing for this poem. Pravesha, that is introduction to the poem. ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಲಹುತ್ತಾಳೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಮುದ್ದಾಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ, ಅವಳು ಮಾತು ಕಲಿಸುವ ಪರಿ ಯಾವುದು, ಅವಳೇಕೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ, ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯ ಹೇಳಿ. So here they have asked about our mother. ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಲಹು, how does our mother take care of us, how does she cuddle us, how does she love us, how does she teach us to speak, why does she do like that, and you have to write one sentence about that or say about it. ನಾವು ನಾಡನ್ನು ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಹೋಲಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬದುಕಿಗೆ ಆಸರೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ನಾಡನ್ನು ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಹೋಲಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಅವರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟು ಅ ಮದರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ವೈ ಡು ವಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಅವರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟು ದ ಮದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್. ಮಳೆ, ಹೌ ಡಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಸ್? ಮಳೆ, ಬೆಳೆ, ಉದ್ಯೋಗವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ಬೈ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ರೈನ್, crops and jobs. So this way our land protects us. ನಮ್ಮ ಕನಸುಗಳನ್ನು ನನಸು ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. All our dream comes true in this land. ನಮಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ತರುತ್ತದೆ. It makes us happy. ಈ ಅಂಶಗಳು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮ ಕವಿತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಡಮೂಡಿದೆ. So all these points are shown or written in this poem. ಕವಿ ತಾಯಿಯ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮನ ಭವ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದ poetess is standing in the mother's position right now and she is teaching the children about the ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮ. First paragraph. ಹೊತ್ತು ಹೆತ್ತು ಸಲಹಿದವಳು, ತುತ್ತನಿತ್ತು ಬೆಳೆಸಿದವಳು, ಎತ್ತಿ ಮುದ್ದಾಡಿದವಳು ತಾಯಿಯಲ್ಲವೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿಯಲ್ಲವೇ. So now the poetess is talking about the mother, how the mother takes care of her child. ಹೊತ್ತು ಹೆತ್ತು ಸಲಹಿದವಳು. ಹೊತ್ತು, the mother carried the child. ಹೆತ್ತು, she gave birth for the child. ಸಲಹಿದವಳು, she took care of the child. ತುತ್ತನಿತ್ತು ಬೆಳೆಸಿದವಳು. When the child is small, the mother feeds. Tuttu means feeding the baby. ತುತ್ತನಿತ್ತು, by giving the food. ಬೆಳೆಸಿದವಳು, she grew the child. ಎತ್ತಿ ಮುದ್ದಾಡಿದವಳು ತಾಯಿಯಲ್ಲವೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿಯಲ್ಲವೇ. ಎತ್ತಿ ಮುದ್ದಾಡಿದವಳು, she lifted us and she cuddled us and she loved us. Who is she? She is our mother. She is our mother, no? So in the first paragraph, the poet is talking about how the mother takes care of the child. She carried the child. She gave birth to the child. She fed the child. She loves her child. She cuddles her child. And who does all these things? She is our mother. So it is our mother. Second paragraph. ನುಡಿಗೆ ನಾದ ತುಂಬಿದವಳು, ಎದೆಗೆ ಹಾಡ ನುಡಿದವಳು, ಒಡಲಿಗನ್ನ ಉಣಿಸಿದವಳು ಅಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲವೇ, ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲವೇ. So here the poet is now comparing the motherland with the mother. So in the same way she's saying that our land, the land which we live in, takes care of us similar to that of the mother. So nudige nada tumbidavalu. Nudi means words. When we are small, the mother teaches us to talk. How she teaches us to talk? Nada tumbidavalu. So this land has taught us its language. So wherever you live, you learn the language of that particular place. So like that, in Kannada Nadu, the children who are born here, they learn the language. So nudige nada tumbidavalu. Nada means music. So the land has filled the music in our words. The language is so beautiful to hear. Or you can say the language is musical to the ears. Yedege haada nudidavalu. So haada nudidavalu. Haadannu nudidavalu. You can split this word. Haadu means song. Nudidavalu means she played the music. She played the music to our heart. Yede means heart. Yedege ಹಾಡ ನುಡಿದವಳು, ಒಡಲಿಗನ್ನ ಉಣಿಸಿದವಳು ಅಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲವೇ. That is, ಒಡಲಿಗೆ means to our stomach. Anna, anna means food. ಉಣಿಸಿದವಳು means fed. So she fed food for this body. Who is that? That is a mother. And who is this mother for us right now? Kannadamma. So the Kannadamma is the mother. So she has given music to our words. She has played the song to our heart. And she has fed food for this body. And she is our mother. Kannadamma nallave. Third paragraph. ಮಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿನ್ನವಿರಿಸಿ, ಕಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕು ಬರಿಸಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಯುವವಳು ಅಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲವೇ, ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲವೇ. So here the poetess is talking about the prosperity. So the land has given so many opportunities for the people to live. It has given hope to their eyes. And she protects the people who lives on that land. That is what the poet is trying to say here. ಮಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿನ್ನವಿರಿಸಿ. Now ಮಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿನ್ನ. Chinna means gold. And where is the gold? Gold is in this earth. ಕಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕು ಬರಿಸಿ. ಕಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ eyes. ಬೆಳಕು means light. ಬರಿಸಿ means she brought light to our eyes. Means she's trying to say that she gave hope to our eyes. ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಯುವವಳು ಅಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲವೇ, ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲವೇ. So ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮ, me and you and everybody. ಕಾಯುವವಳು, protect. Who protects us? Who protects everybody? ಅಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲವೇ. Just like how the mother protects the child, like this land protects the people. So ಅಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲವೇ, ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲವೇ. ಸೊ ಮಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿನ್ನವಿರಿಸಿ, there is gold in this land. ಕಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕು ಬರಿಸಿ, she gives hope in everybody's eyes and happiness. ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಯುವವಳು, she protects us and everybody. Who is she? ಅಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲವೇ, ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲವೇ. Means she gives opportunity, happiness and prosperity and hope for everybody who lives on this land. ಮೊರೆವ ಕಡಲ ತೆರೆಗಳಾಗಿ, ಸುರಿವ ಮಳೆಯ ಹನಿಗಳಾಗಿ, ನಿರತಲಾಲಿ ಹಾಡುವವಳು ಅಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲವೇ, ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲವೇ. So here the poet is talking about the lullaby that this land sings for its people. ಮೊರೆವ ಕಡಲ ತೆರೆಗಳಾಗಿ. Kadalu means sea, that is a beach. Teregalu means waves. So the waves make the sound, the roaring sound in the beach, no? That is called as Moreva. Sound of the sea. Suriva Malaya Hanigalagi. Male is a rain. Honey means the raindrops. Suriudu means the rain pouring. So when the rain pours, there is some sound. Nirata lali haaduvavalu ammanallave. Now nirata means always. Lali is lullaby. Haaduvavalu, the one who sings. So in this para, they are telling how the land sings the lullaby to its people. So it is all about the sound of the nature. And through the sound of the nature, it is singing lullaby to all its people. So the sea sound, the sea makes the sound, the roaring sound. That is like a lullaby to the people. And the rain pours on this land. The sound of the rain, that is so soothing. So that is also like a lullaby. The land is singing lullaby to its people. So Nirata, always, she sings lullaby through this nature. So who is she? She is our mother, Ammanallave, Kannadammanallave. Last paragraph. Amma ninage nooru namana, kanna bittu nodu namma, ninna kaiyanetti harasu, taiyallave, Nada Deviyallave. In this last paragraph, the poetess is asking the land, the motherland, to bless its people. So she says, Amma ninage nooru namana. It's like namana means we say namaskara. Okay, so Amma, for you 100 namaskaras. Kanna bittu nodu namma. Open your eyes and see the people, see us. Ninna kaiyanetti harasu. You lift your hand and bless us. Harasu means bless. Ninna kaiyanetti. Kaiyannu yetti. Kaiyanetti means lift your hand and bless us. Taiyallave. Nada Deviyallave. So Taiyallave, you are a mother, no. Nada Deviyallave. You are the God of this land. So Nada Deviyallave. So, oh, the God of this land, my motherland, you are like our mother. You lift, for you 100 namaskaras. You open your eyes and see us. Ninna kaiyanetti, you lift your hand and bless all the people who stay here. You are our mother, you are our land, you are a God of this land. Thank you, children.